Hi there, welcome to our channel Tech. When it comes to booking travel online, two of the biggest names you will come across are Expedia and Booking.com. But if you are focused on saving money, which one is actually cheaper? Let's start with hotel prices. In multiple searches across major cities like New York, London, and Tokyo, Booking.com often shows slight lower base rates. However, the catch is that taxes and fees are usually added at the very end of checkout process. Expedia, on the other hand, tends to include most of the taxes and fees upfront in the displayed price, making it more transparent but sometimes making it appear more expensive at first glance. When it comes to flight and hotel bundles, Expedia usually comes out on top. It offers significant savings when you book other together, sometimes over $1,000 compared to booking separately. Booking.com doesn't offer bundle flights deal, which can Expedia a better option if you are booking an entire trip. For hidden fees, both platforms can be tricky. Booking.com sometimes shows lower prices that don't include service charges or city taxes until the final step. Expedia is more consistent in this area, though not always perfect. On cancellation policies and flexibility, Booking.com gives you more options. Many of their listings offer free cancellation and no prepayment. Expedia offers similar deals, but many of the cheaper rates are non refundable. In terms of loyalty programs, Expedia offers a reward system called One Key, where you earn points on flight, hotels, and even car rentals. Booking.com has a Genius program which gives discounts and perks like free breakfast once you book frequently enough. Both have value depending on what you are booking. So, which one is cheaper? For standalone hotel bookings, Booking.com can be slightly less expensive if you don't mind taxes being added later. For full trip packages like flight plus hotels, Expedia usually offers better deals overall. So, if you're looking just a hotel and want flexible payment options, booking.com might save you a bit. But if you're planning a full vacation and want package deals, Expedia could offer the better overall value. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and you subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.